Hello everyone and welcome to another Math tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing Form 4 Additional Mathematics Chapter 10 Index Numbers HOTS question Example 2. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Okay, let me read the question now. The following table shows the chemicals A, B, C, D and E needed to produce a type of pesticide. So if you take a look in this table, the first column consists of the chemical A, B, C, D, E. Okay, and continue to the second column, you have the price of the respective chemicals in the year 2018 and year 2019. Okay, and the third column, it has the price index for the year 2019 based on the year 2018, which is literally blank in this case. Okay, so continue to read the question. The following pie chart shows the relative quantity of the chemical used. Okay, so in this question they mentioned the weightage in terms of the angles over here. So for the respective chemicals, so these are the respective angles or so-called weightage, guys. Okay, so let us continue. For the question part A, copy and complete the following table. Okay, by the way, there is a printing mistake over here. There is apparently two following, so just ignore this. Okay, so from here, for the question part A, you need to find all the price index for the chemicals A up to E, and you are required to fill up over here. So that is for the question part A. Continue to read the question part B. Calculate the composite index of the production cost of the pesticide for the year 2019 based on the year 2018. So this is for the question part B. Continue to read for the question part C. The price of each chemical increased by 13% from the year 2019 to the year 2020. Given that the production cost of a bottle of pesticide is 18 ringgit in the year 2018, calculate its corresponding production cost in the year 2020. Okay, so this is the overall question. So I hope that you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, a big thumbs up to you guys. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solution. So without further delay, let us start to solve the question. Let us begin our discussion for the question part A. So to calculate the price index, okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a general formula for us to calculate the price index for the chemical A up to chemical E. Okay, where price index in the year 2019 based on the year 2018. Okay, let me underline the fraction. Will be equals to price of the year 2019 divide with the price of the year 2018 times with 100. Okay, let me underline the fraction and box the formula. Okay, so this is the formula that we're going to use to calculate the price index from chemical A up to chemical E. So let us begin our working with the chemical A. So let me just write here A. So to find the price index for the chemical A, so it will be equals to 0.75, okay, and you divide with 0.60, okay, and then you times with 100. Okay, so from here you calculate this. So from here you get the price index for chemical A will be 125. Okay, so this is your first solution. Okay, continue our working with the chemical B. Okay, so we need to find the price index for the chemical B. So it will be equals to 1.65. Okay, and then you divide with 1.50 times with 100. Okay, so let me underline the fraction. So you calculate this, you should get the price index for chemical B is 100. 10. Okay, so let me underline this. Okay, so let me make a line here. So continue with the price index of chemical C, okay, where 1.20 divide with 0.90 times with 100. Okay, so let me underline the fraction. Okay, you calculate this, you should get your price index 133.33. okay, you can leave your answer in 2 decimal place, guys. Okay, so let me underline this. Okay, continue with the calculation for price index chemical D. Okay, so from here for the chemical D, you need to be careful. So this is the price of the year 2019, which is 1.80, and this is the price for the year 2018. Okay, as you can see here, the price of the year 2019 is lesser than 2018. Okay, so please be careful when you are doing your calculation. So from here 1.80, okay, divide with 2.00 and you times with 100. Okay, so you calculate this. So from here you get your price index for chemical D is equals to 90. Okay, so let me underline this. So let me make another line here. Okay, so our final chemical, so we are required to find the price index for the chemical E. So from here 1.50 divide with 1.00 times with 100. Okay, you calculate this, you should get your price index for chemical E is 150. Okay, so let me underline this. Okay, so we have already find all the price index for the respective chemicals. So now what you're going to do is we're going to write down all the price index in the table over here. Okay, so begin with chemical A, where you have the price index 125. Okay, followed by chemical B 110. Okay, continue with the chemical C, you have 133.33. okay, and then chemical D, your price index is 90. okay, and the last for chemical E, your price index is 150. okay, so let us proceed our discussion for the question part B now. For the question part B, we are required to calculate the composite index of the year 2019 based on the year 2018. Okay, as you can see here, for the question part A, we have already calculated all the price index. So using this information, now we are going to calculate the composite index. Okay, so let me scroll this down. So from here, composite index of the year 2019 based on year 2018. Okay, so okay, the only difference is for the price index and the composite index, you have a bar over here. Okay, so that is the difference, guys. So composite index 2019 over 2018. Okay, so let me underline the fraction. Okay, is equals to, okay, let us start with the chemical A. Okay, so from here the price index is 125. Okay, and then you times with the weightage of the chemical A. In this case is 40 degree. Okay, plus with chemical B the price index is 110. Okay, and then you times with the weightage. Okay, the weightage is 90 degree. Continue with the chemical C. The price index is 133.33. So you write down in the working here 133.33. Okay, so the weightage is 65 degree, close bracket, plus with price index for the chemical D. Okay, you write here 90. Okay, and then you times with the weightage 100 degree. Okay, plus with price index for the chemical E, which is 150, and then you times with the respective weightage. Okay, as you can see here, only the weightage for the chemical E is missing. So how to find it? It is very simple, guys. So as you all know, the total internal angle of a circle is 360 degree. So in order to find the missing angle, what you do, 360 degree you minus with all of the angles available here. So from here you calculate that, you should get the weightage E is 65 degree. Okay, so let me label here 65 degree as well. Okay, so you divide with the summation of the weightage. So like I mentioned, the summation of the weightage is 360 degree. Okay, so from here you calculate the numerator. You should get 42,316.45. Okay, and you divide with 360. Okay, let me underline the fraction. Okay, now you can ask me, so why the angles are missing? Okay, basically in the numerator and the denominator the angle is available. So since angle is a unit, so unit you divide with unit, it is possible to cancel them out each other. So that is why I'm not including the degree in my calculation over here. So it is understood, guys. Okay, so from here you calculate this, you should get your composite index of the year 2019 based on the year 2018 is 117.55. Okay, so this is your composite index. So let me underline the solution for the question part B. Okay, so from here let us proceed our discussion for the question part C now. For the question part C, the first step on what we need to do is we need to find the composite index for the year 2020 based on the year 2019, as they mentioned that the price of each chemical increased by 13% from the year 2019 to the year 2020. Okay, so the good news is all your price index from chemical A up to chemical E will be exactly the same, since you have significant increase which is 13% from the year 2019 to the year 2020 throughout all the chemicals. Okay, so from here let us begin our working. Okay, let me write the step here. So step 1, find composite index of the year 2020 based on the year 2019. Okay, so from here composite index of the year 2020 based on the year 2019. Okay, so please wait. is equals to, okay, let us start with the chemical A. So chemical A price index is 113. Okay, why 113? Like it mentioned, the price of each chemical increased by 13%. Okay, so from here the weightage still remains the same, okay, from the previous calculation of the composite index. So we're going to apply that same weightage of angle. So from here 113 times with 40 degree, okay, and then plus with 113 times with 90 degree, okay, and then plus with 113 times with 65 degree, okay, plus with 113 times with 100 degree, okay, plus with 113 times with 65 degree. Okay, so these are the calculation for the chemical A, chemical B, chemical C, chemical D and chemical E respectively. So from here you divide with the total weightage, which in this case is 360 degree. Okay, so from here you calculate this. So from here you get your numerator is 40,680, okay, and you divide with 360. Okay, so let me underline the fraction. Wait, let me write this properly. So from here you perform the calculation, you should get the price index of the year 2020 based on the year 2019 is 113. Okay, basically it's just the same. Okay, so from here this is your step 1. Okay, what I mean same means same as the price index. Okay, so from here once we have already find the step 1, now we can proceed to the step 2, where we can now find the composite index of the year 2020 based on the year 2018. So let me write down the working here. So step 2, find composite index of the year 2020 based on the year 2018. Okay, let me underline a fraction. So in order to find the composite index of the year 2020 based on the year 2018 will be equals to composite index of the year 2020 based on the year 2019 times with composite index of the year 2019 based on the year 2018, okay, and you divide with 100. Okay, you divide with 100. So technically the 2019 and 2019 will cancel off, so you only left with this term. Okay, so from here to calculate the composite index of the year 2020 based on the year 2018 will be equals to 113. Okay, this 113 is representing the composite index of the year 2020 based on the year 2019. Okay, and then you times with 117.55. Okay, so this 117.55 is representing the composite index of the year 2019 based on the year 2018. Okay, so these two you times and you divide with 100. Okay, so from here you should get the composite index of the year 2020 based on the year 2018 is 132.83. Okay, once you find this composite index, then only you can proceed to find the price of the pesticide in the year 2020 based on the year 2018. Okay guys, so from here your step 3, okay, find the price of pesticide in the year 2020. So let me just write here, find P 2020. Okay, so from here, price in the year 2020, okay, and then you divide with the price in the year 2018. Okay, in this case, price in the year 2018 is 18 ringgit, and you times with 100. So from here you should get your price index is 132.83. Okay, so in order to calculate the price in the year 2020 will be equals to 132.83, you times with 18 and you divide with 100. Okay, so let me underline the fraction. So from here you calculate this, you should get the price of the pesticide in the year 2020 is equals to 23 ringgit. Please wait guys, it's a bit hanging. 23 ringgit 91 cent. So this is your final answer. Let me underline the solution for the question part C. Okay, so that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give your thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future, and not to forget to share this video. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.